there is in fact a steady stream of information, light energy packed with wisdom and knowledge, constantly being sent forth into the air, it's constantly being sent out throughout the universe in like sound frequencies, energy, probably. It's a very comforting feeling to be in tune with, versus much of the things that many people nowadays are very much in tune with throughout their entire day. They're not in tune with the natural energy flow of the universe and the things that the nature and the wind or whatever are calling and telling us. So thanks for listening, and listen to the sound of the earth.